It is coming down crazy. Oh, I'm scared. My car is stuck. Exactly what I didn't want to happen. Look at it. You can't even see nothing, guys. Look how it is on the street right now, bro. We are stuck right now, bruh. Cause I told you, look, this hill, I gotta go down this, and it's not good. And my car just like it's sliding. So I had to, it literally just got like this, and the wheel won't go straight. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. What is going on? What is all this snow? Why nobody tell me what's supposed to snow today, bro? Bro, this is the first time my car sees snow this whole year. Damn, it looks so cool. I feel like I'm gonna go get my GoPro on my crib and record a video for you guys in the snow. Cause my phone, I'm using my phone right now, and my phone is not really picking up the snow, but it looks kind of scary. Oh my god, and that thing is mad loud. I guess there's supposed to be a snowstorm today, and I had no idea. Hopefully it doesn't like stick to the ground, because my cars are definitely not equipped for the snow. So, and I can't even see nothing. Holy, I think you can see more through the camera than what I can see in person, bro. It looks like it's melting though. Like, it doesn't look like it's that type of snow where it sticks, but it is definitely snowing outside, man. And your boy just left the gym, and I got surprised with all this snow. I was like, well, first thing I'd say when I came out, I said, whoa, what's going on here? Where is all this snow coming from? I had no idea it was supposed to snow today. But then I was looking at the weather, and I saw that it's supposed to snow pretty much all night and pretty much all day tomorrow. And then in the afternoon, it's gonna turn into like rain for the rest of the day. And so maybe I'll do a rain POV tomorrow. But definitely right now it's snowing, and it's coming down, boy. But yeah, this is the first drive in the snow. My car has never seen snow. Well, it has, but like not this year. This is the first time that it's been outside in the snow. Because usually when it snows, I don't take this car out, not even to the little corner, because I do live on a hill, and going down the hill with snow is terrible, bro. Because I almost had an accident one time where I tried to go down the hill and there was snow. But when I hit my brakes, with an all-wheel drive car, you pretty much, all your brakes, when you press the brakes, all of your brakes kind of break. And so I slid sideways the whole hill, and I couldn't see like the oncoming cars on the left side, and I ended up in the middle of the road. Thank God I didn't hit anything on the sides, and thank God that like no cars was coming and stuff like that. So I got lucky, and ever since then, I never ever again, took my car out in the snow, bro. It be staying indoors. Boy's going like, I don't even know, 40 miles per hour. I think the speed limit here is like 55. But I am not going faster than that, boy, because, nah, I'm good. I am not trying to mac today, you Mac sauce, yeah, that's me. My car is good, though, in the snow. It's like, I'm not going to say it's not, because it is. The only thing is, like, it's hard to see when there's snow coming down, because, like, you guys know I have tinted windows. Tinted windows in the snow and in the rain are not a good combination. Therefore, like, I'm kind of driving slow because I cannot see, bruh. Like, I can't see the road that much. I just see a bunch of glare and stuff. Like, I can't see no lines or nothing like that. So I don't really know where I'm at, but we're pretty good though, man. Oh, why the police got out like that? Whoa. A cop over there. That's a cop. He came out the car. Let me see if I can show you guys. Look, guys, it's snowing, gangies. Oh, it's coming in my car. Hold on. Oh, shoot. It got all over my car. But yeah, it's snowing, gangs. My tints don't let it. Look at this shit. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. All right, put my window back up. Oh, that snow's coming all up in here. But look, now you guys can kind of see it on my windshield. Yo, why is YouTube so difficult, bro? Like, yo, YouTube, can we hit 1,000 subs already, YouTube? What's up with you? Like, show this to 1 million people, bro. I'm sure 1,000 people, like me. I don't know. I don't really even know who like me. I know a couple of you guys, like my videos, and I appreciate that. But YouTube, come on, man. Show a little bit more. Show more appreciation for the hard work, man. For the hard work and dedication. Hard work, dedication. This video is nothing crazy, you guys, so don't expect, me going crazy. I wish that there was a little bit more snow on the ground, and if I had my camera, I would have done some donuts. Maybe tomorrow, if the snow is still, oh my god, I can't see nothing. Maybe tomorrow, if the snow is still here, I can record maybe doing some donuts in the snow, But I don't know if the snow's still here. You guys will see a donuts video of me doing donuts in the snow. Yo, you can't see nothing. I keep saying that, but I really can't see nothing. You heard? And I don't even wanna brake like that. I don't wanna slide. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Chris, why is it snowing now, bro? We're about to hit March like tomorrow, and now I want to start to snow. I'm not even gonna pull up right next to this cop, cause then he's gonna start looking into my car, and he's gonna see that he can't see nothing, and then we're gonna have a problem, cause then he's gonna pull me over, cause he can't see in my car. So I'm gonna stay my ass way back here, and I'm gonna let him go, and I'm gonna continue my stuff. If you guys are thinking about getting a 440, don't worry about the snow, man. You'll be fine. It's just that I have tinted windows and I can't see the ground, so that's why I'm kind of driving a little bit more cautiously, because I really cannot. Like, look, can you guys see right now? Because I can't until I do this. But I hate doing that because my windshield wipers need to be replaced and they make mad noise. If you guys notice a little bit of difference in the quality, it's because, like I said, I am not using my GoPro. I'm using my phone. I think the phone quality is better, but it's not that good under low light. Maybe if I had like a light or something like that, it will be like perfect, but it's, you know, I don't. And yeah, man, let's go this way. Let's see if I slide. Yeah, no, I don't even slide, not even a little bit. Like, I try to push it a little bit, see if I slide. Let me see if I put it, let me put it in sport, let me take off the traction, sport plus. I don't have gas. I don't know, bro. I never have gas, bro. Yo, I need somebody to sponsor me for some gas, bro. Your boy never got gas, bro. And it's not that I don't pull gas. It's that I be running through it. Damn, I try to slide there, but I can't do it with one hand because I can't see. Oh yeah. I do be sliding a little bit. Sheesh. I wish I had an open space, bro. I would dead ass do a donut, but it's too risky doing it here. There's too many cars on the side, as you guys can see. Yeah, no, I can't do it here. Too many cars. Look. Let it snow. Hey, man. Look at the cars. They're already getting full, bro. Look at the cars. Why is it yellow like that? Oh, I can go? What the fuck? Okay. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah. This snow is really piling up, though. Oh, it's really piling up. I might be able to, you know, do a video tomorrow in the snow. That would be lit, because I've been wanting to do that video, like sliding in the snow. But we haven't gotten any snow, really. So I haven't done it. Okay. Oh, I will even put it rear wheel drive for tomorrow. If there's no on the ground, guys, I'm gonna put it rear wheel drive, and I'm gonna try to slide the car. The only problem is that, you know, we gotta see if I can even go down my hill, and if I can, then I definitely would. Oh, look at the snow. Let me see if I can. Oh yeah, we definitely do lose some. Oh, this will be so fun. Damn, I wish I had a rear wheel drive right now. Now, this is a really bad idea. I'm thinking of something, but it's a bad idea. And we don't like bad ideas in this channel. Yeah, no, damn, this snow is crazy. I need to put this car away, bro, before I can't even go up my hill. Because, look, if you guys look on the ground, it's bad, bro. It's getting bad. It is sticking, though, to the ground. I didn't think it was, but it is. Oh, I'm sliding. Oh, I almost crashed. Oh, nah. I'm going home. Oh, my God, my heart just stopped, y'all. Yeah, I'm putting this car away, boy. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I got hella scared, because it really does slide. I just try to slide a little bit. Oh, I'm sliding right now. Oh, my car is sliding. Oh, shit. I have a problem, guys. I have a problem. I don't even know if I can go up this hill. Oh, I have an issue. Nah, I gotta put this car away. ASAP Rocky. It is coming down crazy. Oh, I'm scared. My car is stuck. Exactly what I didn't want to happen. Look at it. You can't even see nothing, guys. Look how it is on the street right now, bro. We are stuck right now, bruh. Cause I told you, look, this hill, I gotta go down this, and it's not good. And my car just like it's sliding. So I had to, it literally just got like this, and the wheel won't go straight. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna put this car away ASAP, guys. I will see you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, a little update. This is what the car's looking like. Yo, I almost crashed this white car right here, trying to pull my car in, bro. It was bad, bro. I got so scared. This thing is covered in snow. Covered. Oh, I gotta put this window up. I'll close that in a sec. But yo, it was so, bro. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I just did. Look at the car, guys. It's literally covered in snow, bro. Look, so no car has came by yet, right? This is all from my car. Look at the street, bro. That's all from my car, bro. Oh, look, I almost hit. Cause look, this is the tracks from my car. I was so close to that car. Cause every time I brake, it would like slide that way. I almost hit that car. But this is, cause look, if you look up there, there's only two tire marks. It's my car, and then all of this was me, bro. I don't even know how this happened, but that was me trying to get into my garage, bro. So bad. My car is not good in the hills. It's fine in the snow. You can drive in the snow. You just gotta have some winter tires. But do not take this car on a hill, bro, because you will crash. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, you can't even control it at that point. It's just no bueno for that, man. But we made it home safely, thank God. This car is not coming out until all the snow is gone. So yeah, hopefully soon though, because I did want to record. I did wanted to make like a donuts video in the snow. Unfortunately, guys, this car it's not gonna be able to go down this hill for me to even make it anywhere. So I just can't afford to do that. I don't want to crash my car for a donut, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's a little update for you guys, man. We made it home safe. Now I'm going back. I just, bro, I almost crashed over there, bro. That shit was scary. I ain't gonna lie. I got so scared, bro. But we home. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. This video was so strange and weird, but we made it anyway. And yeah, man, that's it. I'll see you guys.